Good morning! It's juicing time again. This will be my juice for today, this morning. The veggie group, the green group, and the fruit group. The fruit group. We have ampalaya. If you search it in Google, ampalaya has a lot of health benefits. Cucumber, and then Chinese pechay, and then we have cabbage. Then we need to push it. And then add some more. It's like a piggy bank. You'll be banking nutrients into your body. It's already it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. This is my breakfast. This will be my breakfast for today. Cucumber, and then ampalaya. I don't know what's ampalaya. What's the other term for ampalaya in some places? There. Then push because ampalaya is a bit harder. And Chinese pechay. They said that it's anti-cancer. It has anti-cancer properties. We have half green juice already. And I still have the citrus or the fruit group to juice. So yummy. There you go. I think I'm loving the taste of fresh juice. Or maybe because I'm putting a lot of ginger and calamansi. At first I think I can take the raw juices of vegetables, especially the vegetables, because fruits are has acceptable taste compared to veggies, honestly. So all veggies are gone. Let's continue the fruit. This one is a pumpkin. This one is the landan. These are apples, and this one is also the landan. Oh, I think I need to cut this. It's already cut. Here and here. Add some apple for sweetness and pumpkin. can again. And dalandan. Dalandan. It's like a piggy bank. Almost full. Hilaw ka, Neng? I think that's enough because it's already full. Yeah? No, later from school. It's ready. Let me transfer the content to the new messenger. Sister me bought this one. Okay.
Ready?
Careful. Paduol te. Sige te. I-close lang pag mapuno na. There. So green juice this morning with a little bit of fruit extra.
Mas lumot ko siya. Oh, pait ba? Dagan o kung sa may.
Chinese pechay. Oh, may ampalaya. May ampalaya din.
Ampalaya mo yung pagkapait. May luya.
May luya. Kalamansi.
May action na siya. Ano dito sa direct muda out.
Wala na ka ni Kwanza. Wala na ka ni Sinus kayo. Sige naman tagaluya. Wala ang mga mucus. Mapait na umaga. Mas maayo ko na green juice tayo kaysa sa any other color juice. May ganin naging kay may kuan, may konkan og apple. Ang uban wala gyud purely ginger lang. Dili so kuan na siya, dalandan katubang palot niya. Dalandan. Luping udyala aslong pait. Lamihan dar ka atong yellow juice kay kuan naman to ng fruits. Yan na kay may cabbage, may Chinese pechay, may cucumber, may ampalaya, may dalandan, sa soft drinks, may bilin. Wala man na bottoms up. Di bottoms up.
Di pa madala sa straw.
O di jar na lang.
Buguak mo naman.
Gani.
Nik, ano mo? Balik mo.
Nakahuman na siya. Ako na po. It's my turn to drink. Okay, that's all for today.